Y'all listen to the story. It was the 3rd of September. That day I'll always remember. Yes, I will. 'Cause that was a day that my daddy died. Well, I never got a chance to see him. Never heard nothing but bad things about him. Mama, I'm depending on you. Tell me the truth. My mama just hung her head. She said, son, Papa was a rolling stone. Wherever he laid his hat was his home. When he died, only left us was alone. Y'all help me sing this thing one time. Yes, it was, y'all. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, they left us was a little. Say, wow, wow, wow. Oh, Lord, wow. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Mama, is it true what they say that my papa never worked a day in his life? Mama, some bad talk going around talking about papa with these 3 outside kids. They done told me he got another wife. Y'all know that ain't right. Heard some talk about papa doing storefront preaching. All the time saving souls and all the time leeching. Dealing in that, stealing in the name of love. Mama looked at me and said, child, yes it was, y'all. When it died, oh, it left us was a, she said it's your papa. Oh yeah, when it died, yeah, it left us was alone. Jack of all trades. Tell me, is that what sent Papa to an early grave? Folks said my Papa would bake, borrow, and steal. just to pay his bills. Mama, folks said my daddy won't much on thinking. Spent all of his time chasing women and drinking. Mama, oh,